Welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button and leave down below a comment whether it's related to this video, other activity that you'd like to see, homeschool questions that you may have, or math problems that you need a tutorial on. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is working with the alphabet, and specifically we're working with the letter C, and we're going to make handprint caterpillars. So we're going to work with the caterpillar, talk about maybe the life cycle of a caterpillar while you're doing the project, talk about the letter C, maybe the way that the sound of a C, the letter C, working with maybe talking about uppercase C and lowercase c, all that fun stuff while making your project. So with that, you're going to be needing a white piece of paper, a couple different paints for your caterpillar. You can use whatever colors you like to make your caterpillar, but I'm going to go ahead and use brown, green, blue, and red. It's going to be a colorful one. Then I'm also going to go ahead and add googly eyes, or you can just draw in eyes at the end once everything's dried. And then however you want to add the paint onto their hands. So I'm going to use some paint brushes I have set aside ready to go. There's no tutorial for this. It's all going to be more hands-on with my toddler. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here and show a little clip doing the project with my toddler. As always, have a great day and enjoy. Thank you. What letter is this?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. What letter does it start with though?
C.
C. C is for caterpillar, but this time we're going to make a hand caterpillar. We're going to paint your hand. There you go. You're going to put it down right there. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Flip it over. See how cool that looks? We're gonna do it 2 more times. Ready? Oh, careful. One, 2, 3, lift up. Woohoo! We're gonna do one more. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off this paint. You excited it's your birthday tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're done with that.
So we're done with that one. We're gonna paint the palm again, just the palm of your hand. Red.
But not palm of your hand.
Nope, not mine. And we're gonna do a little bit of brown. We're actually going to do this guy for an antenna. Oh, keep your eye. And this guy. Woohoo! And we have our, what is that? Whoa.
Caterpillar.
Our caterpillar. This caterpillar has smaller little eyes. He's got these tiny eyes. So I'm gonna put glue.
Why he needs little eyes?
Because he's a small caterpillar. So we're actually going to use this paint as glue. So you're going to put one eye there and one eye right there. Good job. Very good. And then the other, oh, don't spray it around. And then your other googly eye. Because it's slippery when it's wet, just kind of like when water is slippery. And then we'll let it dry. And you have your
Caterpillar.
awesome job.
I will show you guys. I'll show you all the parts.
Okay.
The T body.
Mm-hmm.
That's part of his legs.
Mm-hmm.
That's a part of his face.
Mm-hmm.
That's part of his head.
Yes.
And that's part of his eyes.
That's really neat, Liam. Did you have fun making that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was having fun. We got a caterpillar.